Hey everybody, and welcome back. I couldn't really decide what I wanted for dinner tonight. I kept going back and forth, but I settled on a Cajun Alfredo pasta, which sounds really good, but we're gonna make it a little bit healthier and not use regular pasta, because flour is in a lot of pastas and it's just empty carbs and you get no nutrient value from it. So I found this yellow lentil pasta, which is a great source of protein. So we're gonna try that out. So I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients here really quick. So what I'm putting in my pasta will be Alfredo, of course. I didn't have fresh okra, so I'm gonna put some frozen okra in there. I'm gonna chop up some cherry tomatoes. These tomatoes are really good, by the way. They're like really sweet and they taste really good. Some jalapeno, an onion, of course, we put onion in everything. Orange bell pepper, again, for a sweet flavor. And then some turkey sausage. And I also have some turkey meat in here that I'm going to throw in here. But we'll get this started. Yeah, I know y'all hear that. So right now, all I'm doing is getting a nice sear on my meat. Once it's brown the way I like, I'm going to go ahead and throw the vegetables in here so you can get those frying up. Okay, this looks so amazing. Now this is what this lovely medley looks like once you've gotten everything in there. That's got the tomatoes, the bell pepper, the okra, the jalapeno, the onions. Can't forget the onions. And I did go ahead and season it. All I seasoned it with was some Cajun seasoning, and then I added some salt, pepper, cayenne, and some Italian seasoning. Just a little bit. I never really tell you guys how to season your food because I know everyone is different and everyone likes it the way that they like it. This is how I like it, so that's how I'm making it. And this recipe is really quick and easy. I went ahead and pre-boiled my noodles, so once this gets done cooking and the vegetables are at the crunchiness or softness that I like them, I'll go ahead and throw the pasta in here with the Alfredo. And I also forgot to mention this, but Parmesan cheese. I have some extra Parmesan cheese. That's basically the main cheese in Alfredo sauce. I like my stuff ooey gooey, so you can make your own Alfredo sauce if you would like. I didn't feel like doing that, but one day I will, and I will show you guys how to do that. Homemade Alfredo sauce tastes amazing. But like I said, I'm feeling lazy today. And this is a very quick meal. Like, this probably took me like 20 minutes total to make. But like I said, once this gets done cooking, I'll go ahead and add the Alfredo, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so I just put the pasta in, and this is looking even more delicious. Sorry about that. That was kind of weird. This is looking even more delicious. We're still working on getting that camera. I'm still using my phone for now, but we'll have one soon. But, you know, whatever works. Anyways, something that I forgot to mention also. With jalapenos, it's not the jalapeno itself that is spicy. What makes it spicy is the seeds. Like, you ever ate a fresh jalapeno or even a pickled one and them not be spicy, but then you ate one and it was super spicy? It's because of the amount of seeds that are left in there. So if you want your stuff, like, super spicy, I'm talking where you don't even have to use cayenne, and I like using cayenne. Leave the seeds in when you chop it, but if you don't want it as spicy, then I would definitely recommend taking them out. Also, do not be silly and cut a jalapeno and not wash your hands afterwards, because if you go to touch your eye or even your mouth or your lips or something, it will burn. So fair warning. Again, I want to give y'all some more visuals of this. I can't wait to get it in a bowl and plate it up for y'all. It's gonna look amazing. I didn't say this either because I got sidetracked. I'm scatterbrained, y'all. Anyways, the reason why I went ahead and put the pasta in there is because I want to give it a chance to absorb some of the flavors of all the vegetables and the meats and stuff that we have in there. So I'm giving it a chance to let it soak that up before I add the Alfredo in. And after I add the Alfredo in, I'm probably going to have to add a little bit more seasoning because nobody seasons anything enough. And here it is, finished with the Alfredo sauce. This looks so good. I tasted it, y'all. It's delicious. I'm gonna get it put in a bowl for y'all and show y'all how I'm gonna top it off. Also, I don't know if I said this, but if you choose to do it this way, like mixing your pasta in and cooking it that way with the meat and the vegetables and stuff, make sure your pasta is a little bit undercooked. That way, as you're cooking it more, they don't get all mushy. Forgot to mention that. We'll be right back. And here's the finished product, guys. Like I said, I just put some Parmesan cheese on top, and I put it under the broiler, which made it, you know, kind of melty and brown and all that. I'm probably gonna throw some extra Alfredo sauce on here just because I love sauce. There's a lot of things that I love. I'm just a loving person. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this. If you try it and you like it, let me know what you think. Also, if there's anything that you want to know how to cook, don't be scared if it's out of the ordinary or crazy. Just, you know, reach out to me. I'm sure that I can figure out how to make it, or I may even already know how to make it. But thanks for coming to Chubb's Kitchen, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.